Trees aren't green, the ocean is grey, sky is a vague blue, come my way. My room is a mess, it could use a hand. My favorite TV shows to capture in. I know I must get it right, must get back in the fight. This can't be a surprise, I think I'll let it slide. I'm sleepwalking through all of my problems, I know I can't make it.
So we're here day 3 now. We're basically trying to teach the Garmin expert who loves his Garmin how to get a route reverse onto his Garmin 1050.
Yes, the 1050 clearly has not got it when the 1040 and my watch does have it. So why does the 1050 not have it?
Do you know what does have it? Wahoo and Hammerhead.
And Garmin 1040.
Yeah. Not 1030 because he's struggling as well. So what's the moral of the story?
Buy a Wahoo.
Buy a Hammerhead. Another little feature. Watch this. Watch this. There's my map. I want a bigger map. Boom! Shakala. You got that feature? You don't.
Shakala.
And we have Creaky and Cranky discussing their notes this morning on their shit bikes.
Yes.
All good?
Yes, I'm good.
Got the chain oiled?
Yes.
Is he going to help?
I'm ready to go. No.
We've got Guy Ritchie involved, a bit more brains in the operation, trying to help Garmin, Harold Garmin Vessel Grootheden how to get this route in reverse. If anyone knows how to do this, put a note in the comments. Right, we're now 6 minutes late. The Garmin boys they've given up. They've given up. They're going to follow the Wahoo and the Hammerheads. Right, all good. And obviously Garmin watch is fine. That's fine. Right, all ready to go? Yeah. Let's go to the beach. Let's get there. Well, that was Garmin shenanigans. So apparently the route reverse function was never added to Garmin. That's very disappointing if you have one. And because days like today, we are reversing the route because there is a severe headwind along the coast. And who would rather have a headwind if you could choose a tailwind? One button gives you a tailwind. Get in. Morning light. All the boys are out. So Crazy had a super strong day yesterday. Yeah. Strong to the end.
And the Garmin worked.
Good to get one up on spanner. And here's a delicacy from Spain, Iberico, black pig, acorn fed. Delicious. Really busy out today, Saturday morning.
What are you stressing about?
Root issues. Come on, Twinny. Got this. Trust me, it works.
Have
It
you
does
done
work.
anything on your phone?
Ken, I've got my patch on and I'm still
Got your patch
hungry.
on. Hangry. Well, I think he needs a patch. He's stressed. He's too
Stressed, I'm
off the
getting
blocks.
hammered from every direction.
It was all
None of
fine
it
until you
just-
stopped and changed
You're
it.
doing well, Bush.
It's like,
Two hammers in your hand.
so look, there's Route 5.
Yes.
There's Route. I can't do anything faster than turn on. Jesus Christ. Look, follow in reverse.
Yes.
Shock. He won't moan today.
He's not allowed.
You won't moan today, are you, Tony?
Right,
Yes, straight down.
right, wait. Wait.
At least you got the snorkel.
Telling you.
That's alright, it's a good sign. We're back in humour land.
A few moments later.
It's that way. It's that way. I'm telling you, it's that way.
We've all got that way. So it's double and steel, drama Saturday. Twinny is in there mixing it up, fixing what's not broken, causing stress where no need. I mean, look at today. We don't need any stress today. Look at that weather.
Next time, Ken, we'll know. If we reverse the route, we reverse it, post it.
Well, I didn't know you had old tech, so I assume your Garmin could deal with that. Simple instruction. Yes?
Modern tech never reverses.
Clearly. There's Joe up a ladder. Jai. I love this. Right to the very end, the cleaning. There she is.
With a room.
Nice top, Joe.
It just needs to go on record. I deleted the route, I loaded it again, I didn't reverse it, and now it's telling me I'm en route.
It is the same way because it's up and down the same way.
Yeah. So it says I'm on the right route, but I didn't reverse it.
Because this is the way out, even if it's reversed.
Okay.
Nice. How good is this? Woo. One of my sons, he's got 2,000 followers. That's me. You happy now? Is this your gravel? What I call gravel? Sweet gravel level 1. Certainly was not expecting this. Thought seeing. So another thing I didn't know was here was this amazing bird sanctuary. It's miles and miles. Look at this.
Associated with this brake.
You're too heavy for the bike, dude. There's 80 kilogram limit. Oh my god, lucky you're alright, dude. If you fell off with that, we wouldn't count it. It'd be 0. It'd scrap it from the record. Yeah, we'll be scrapped. So you'd still be only 1 in 1 year.
He's checking the best option.
Harbour would have just snapped, but
Oh yeah.
it's incredible. So where exactly did this happen? Where were you going? Just plopping along?
No, it's just going along. Just.
And the whole thing just went zoot.
There's no hill junction, so you constantly coming down a hill.
Yeah.
I was right on Craig Ritchie's tail, and he was burning it up that. And then all of a sudden, my backside almost touched this.
Moving on from the bike dramas, we're now on our way to Alcudia via a little nature trail, which has been about a 3k climb. It's been nice, not difficult. Gravel level 1. King Stumble Seal Saturday, 8 people, 3 groups on the road. That's normal.
That's normal.
That's normal. Yeah, even in Mallorca. What is that? How's this? Hey!
If it's not,
Craig, is that for one? Is that yours?
You and me.
if it's not, Ken's bang in trouble.
I'm in trouble because no way he's going to let me anywhere near that. Harold, so we say Colnago and you say what?
Colonia.
Colonia. Who's got a Colonia?
You've got an accent for it. Colonia.
Does Poggy ride a Colonia?
You're in trouble. If you're a nurse, you have an obligation to help. It doesn't matter when you like it. I don't like training, but I'll help you if you get it. I'm a nurse.
You're not a nurse,
Yeah, I like Harold.
Excuse me, I'm booked too.
Richard, you never nurse. You never even come close to being a nurse, dude. Not even close. I guarantee you, I'll look at the stats. Not one time you've been a nurse.
You could be a nurse from a distance.
My wife said, well, she's lying next to me.
I'll stop being a nurse. You're just scared. You're scared. You love your wife.
Don't forget.
I love cats.
Get on there, man. Show me. Is that your new bike?
This is my new bag.
I got no baby legs.
It's looking for the joint. Can you reach? So pedal round. Pedal.
Circle,
Pedal.
Holding it. Where's the jockey wheel?
This is your replacement bike, yeah? Is it good? It looks alright actually. It looks quick. But those fucking tires, you go no speed on the road. You go no speed on the road.
I've just been on the road. It wasn't very far.
So I'll should be nursing you home.
One of those.
Look at that. Jesus, that's a thick. Just had a great lunch. Time to go home. So we just had the most amazing lunch in Alcudia. And on our way back now, we're going to coastal run. Not on the coast yet, but we'll be on the coast 15 k's along hopefully a tailwind, as promised. Stomping on the pedals on his mountain bike. Come on, big boy! Come on, big boy! There's your tailwind! Tailwind! There it is! Chop! Come, big boy! There the boys, 2 nurses. Nice! So he jumps on the back of Mr. Scott, who's giving gas. Craig is filling full gas. Lads, I'm gonna lie to you. Pushing on 350 watts in, pedaling. I think this guy's got the nuts now. He's looked around a few times. Like, oh, you guys are gonna take a turn? Or you can hold my wheel all the way here? Yeah, we'll sit back. We're enjoying this. Luck it, man, just keep going. Scared him off. Didn't like us. Yeah, we're here. Shit for that. My lord. Okay. That's where we're going. Interesting. Come here, Butch. As a nurse, you got some bandages and some tourniquets and some tissues.
Of course, I've got everything.
Do you have a toilet roll?
Yeah, sure.
Could I have it, please?
No. I haven't got it here.
I normally carry it.
What do you mean? I have everything.
Harold, you're a fucking nurse. You're a nurse. Where's your kit?
Do you have any tissues on?
You must have a tissue. Or a tourniquet or a bandage.
He'd have everything.
My
No
book-
toilet roll, no
He's got
tissue.
everything, dude. In that fanny pack, he's got everything.
Last time I did a wee, when I did the walk, a wee got spiders.
There we go. He's got a handkerchief.
You get to keep it though.
Handkerchief. That's all right. You can dribble
What's
that.
that behind your
Jimmy Dribbles. Jimmy Dribbles.
Mickey Dribbles.
What?
So we found ourselves on the beach with no swimming costumes. Looks fun. Sandcastles, flat bellies, drinks, and holiday times. Good times. Typical beach town. Loads of bars, kids, Jamaicans, everything. It's all happening here. Around. This is why it's so important to have a bell. I'll take it.
No, you have that back. Oh. Lovely.
Get in, grab it. Grab it, grab it, grab it.
Deja de llorar. Nada peligroso va a pasar. Me quedo aquí contigo y nunca te voy a dejar. Todas las pesadillas ya se van. Ya nada pasará. Ya nada pasará. Ya nada pasará. No, nada pasará. Oye, amorcito, llegó la hora de dormir. El hombre de arena aquí está. Y no
Look
te
at
preocupes
that.
porque no vas
Mallorca
a sufrir.
in the autumn. What's
Siempre
going
estará
on? Who
contigo
knows?
tu papá.
Love this place.
Ya nada
Cleaning out the
pasará.
house, restaurants, rocking chairs, kids, beers,
Ya nada pasará.
waiters. I mean, look at the water. Look at the green
Ya
there.
nada pasará.
Wow. More statues. What is going on? Need to research this.
No, nada pasará.
Okay, interesting. Where are we going here? Who's fixing this? Oh, we've got the willies now. We'll feel up. And now we're fighting the headwind home. Pretty tough this.
Ya nada pasará.
That's what we need, Harold. We need up here as a book club.
Ya nada pasará.
Yeah, that's fun. Good. Woo. Check it.
Ya nada pasará. No, nada pasará. nada pasará. Ya nada pasará. Ya nada pasará. No, nada pasará.
So at the end of the day, Tony, rate out of 10.
Off the beach, I'm giving it a 9.3.
9.3. Okay. What's your rating?
Me?
Yep.
I think it's got nothing to do with you. I think they need to improve their Aperol drink mixture.
You can't blame the spritz on the route.
No, I gave it 11 yesterday.
Oh, Troy, come on, speed up. Times 5. Times 5. 8.5. Okay. Rating. The route.
Yeah, good.
Good. Right. Excellent. Well, it's good from there. I would give it a first half 9.5, second half 7. Not much gravel going on second half. But anyway, been a good day. The sun's been out. And last one tomorrow. So check that one out.
El hombre de arena aquí está. Y no te preocupes porque no vas a
beat the devil out of it. That really is the fun part of this whole technique. I have more pleasure just beating the brush than anybody in the country. I have people now that write me letters and say they have no desire to paint. They just bought a brush so they can beat it and take out their frustrations. That's okay. That's okay.